কত লক্ষ জনম ঘুরে ঘুরে আমরা পেয়েছি ভাই মানব জনম। এ জনম চলে গেলে, এ জনম চলে গেলে আর পাবো না, না না না, আর মিলবে না। Hi guys, hope your lockdown is going well. Today I am going to talk a little. I think it's very important. I have an important message to share, and status update won't work, is what I have noticed. Yesterday I made a video on Sayoni. I think a lot of you might have seen it. A lot of you have ignored it. There's a cultural insight in it which I am trying to introspect on. I hope you guys introspect on as well, that we try to avoid sensitive things or topics that we actually need to talk about. The entire generation, our entire world has become an escapist in some way or the other. And that is what but conscience survives. Conscience is something that is still alive inside us, and that forces us to look for all these stress busters. We are not stressed, we are just not doing our things, we are not just doing our human roles properly, and perhaps that's why we are not happy. I think this is something that we all need to understand very well. Anyway, so yesterday when I made the video, I expected my friends to connect with me and help me out in something that I wanted to start. I wanted to I wanted to start a donation drive for migrant workers who are stuck in different parts of India, and homeless people who are stuck in different parts of India. And the response that I got was very sad, honestly. But then I learned that okay, I might have to go and ask personally, and I went out and asked some people personally, and it was it's weird. Like, I expected some people to contribute, and they did, and I somehow knew that they would, and they did. And some people I had no clue that they would, and they did. So both the ways it was very shocking. And some people whom I expected that they would, they didn't. That was itself another very shocking thing. But something that happened during this time was I contacted a friend of mine. I come from my graduation is from a very politically charged college, and there was this friend who was in the opposite political party, and he's a great singer. And I connected with him, and I asked him to urge people to send some money to donate. And this guy, Orko Pratim Ghosh, within 24 hours he has been able to collect around 15,000 rupees, if I'm not wrong, and I'm pretty sure he's going to collect more. The way he's like sending me money, I have never seen anything like that. I am so glad that I took the right decision, and I contacted him, I pushed him. He contacted me actually. I don't know who did. It doesn't matter. It just worked out so well, and Orko Pratim is a star, and I'm going to share his videos. And I would request all of you guys, all of you from Gomia, from Maika, from Denmark, who have like from different parts of my life, who do not have any idea about Orko Pratim, to please go and visit his page and like watch his videos. He is an amazing singer, and his voice is completely made for playback singing, and he's such a down-to-earth guy. And the best thing about him is the one thing that if I think about him and what is it that I can learn from Orko Pratim is that he's always trying to come, like, he is a down-to-earth guy, but he's still trying to bring himself down to earth. I mean, kahan jaoge tum iske niche? But yeah, he is an amazing guy, and there is a lot to learn from him. And please go and watch his videos, and like and share his videos as well. Comment on his videos, and do tell him that he's an amazing person, and I hope you all will do it. And so today I'm going to sing a song for you all. Today the song that I'm going to sing is a mashup of two Bengali songs, and it's both the Bengali songs are so meaningful that I feel that everyone, whoever, Bengali, non-Bengali, whoever, should have an idea like this, and I have tried to merge these two ideas together because I think it goes very well with the current context. The first song is about absoluteness, about this one life we have got, about this one time we have got to explore, to showcase our talent, to explore ourselves, to explore the world and everything. And the second is actually the opposite. The second song is actually the complete opposite, that within this one life and this one body, you have so many people living inside, so many personalities living inside, that you also might have no idea. So it's very important that when we do not judge others, we also like look at them from the same perspective, and we look at life from the same perspective, and we look at ourselves from that perspective, and we do not lock or block ourselves. Okay, I am supposed to be this or that or this or that. No, we should keep ourselves exploring and exploring and exploring, and that is what life is about. So it's very important during this time. I feel that we all should introspect a lot, and instead of I think the revolution that in one word, if I have to, in one line, if I have to say it, the revolution that we have been waiting for, the revolution that we have been waiting for to happen outside has to basically start inside. চাঁদ গৌর আমার রাধার প্রেমে মাতোয়ারা, চাঁদ গৌর আমার রাধার প্রেমে মাতোয়ারা, ধুলায় ডাবায় গড়াগড়ি, যেতে চাইলে যেতে দেব না, না 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 যেতে দেব না, তোমায় হৃদ মাঝারে রাখবো, ছেড়ে দেব না, বক্ষ মাঝে রাখবো, ছেড়ে দেব না, তোমার ঘরে বাস করে কারা মন জানো না, তোমার ঘরে বসত করে কয়জনা মন জানো না, তোমার ঘরে বসত করে কয়জনা, একজনে ছবি আঁকে এক মনে ওহো মন, আরেকজনে বসে বসে রং মাখে ওহো মন, একজনে ছবি আঁকে এক মনে ওহো মন, আরেকজন বসে বসে রং মাখে ওহো, আবার শেষ ছবি খান নষ্ট করে কোনজনা কোনজনা, শেষ ছবি খান নষ্ট করে কোনজনা কোনজনা, তোমার ঘরে বসত করে কয়জনা মোর জানো না, তোমার ঘরে বসত করে কয়জনা, তোমার ঘরে বাস করে কারা মন জানো না, তোমার ঘরে বসত করে কয়জনা মোর জানো না, তোমার ঘরে বসত করে কয়জনা। খানা ঘরে দেখো কোনজনা কোনজনা, সেই লাগাম খানা ঘরে দেখো কোনজনা কোনজনা, তোমার ঘরে বসত করে কয়জনা মন জানো না, তোমার ঘরে বসত করে কয়জনা। তোমায় মুখ্য মাঝে রাখবো, ছেড়ে দেব না, তোমায় হৃদয় মাঝে রাখবো, ছেড়ে দেব না, ভুবন মোহন গোরা গুণীজন মনোহরা, ভুবন মোহন গোরা গুণীজন মনোহরা, যেতে চাইলে যেতে চাইলে যেতে দেব না, না 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 যেতে দেব না। তোমার ঘরে বাস করে কারা হাও মন জানো না, তোমার ঘরে বসত করে কয়জন মন জানো না, তোমার ঘরে বসত করে কয়জন, তোমার ঘরে বাস করে কারা হাও মন জানো না, তোমার ঘরে বসত করে কয়জন, তোমার ঘরে বসত করে কয়জন, তোমার ঘরে বসত করে কয়জন মন জানো না, তোমার ঘরে বসত করে কয়জন।